Hello guys, welcome to another video on Ike Does Maths. Today we'll be doing probability density functions, and the way these functions work are basically they give you the probability that something can happen based on integration. So the conditions for a function to be a probability density function are that the integral between the lower bound and the upper bound has to equal 1. So for example, here we have 3x squared defined between 1 to 0. And if we integrate this, we would get x cubed between the bounds 1 to 0. Which is 1 minus 0. So that's 1. So this would be a probability density function. And the way we can get probabilities out of this is if we say between, let's say, we want to find the probability that our variable is between 0.5 and 0, this would be like taking the integral from 0 to 0.5 of f of x. So it would be, the bounds would be 1/2 and 0 of x cubed, which would be 1/8. Okay, so we're going to do a couple of questions, and for this one, where you have to find a, you have to use the concept that the integral from the lower bound to the upper bound always equals 1 for a probability distribution function. So pause the video and have a go if you want. But basically, we take the integral and we make it equal to 1, and then we can solve the equation and find a. So it's going to be ax minus x squared over 4 from the bound 0 to 2. And that's going to give us 2x minus 1 equals 1 up to a. And hence a equals 1. Okay, so we're going to do another quick question, and that's going to be it for today's video. Okay, so for this question, we're given the function and we need to find the probability. So pause the video if you want to have a go. And the way we can do this is basically we need to take the integral between 1/2 and 1/4 of this function. And that's going to give us a value, and that value has to be smaller than 1. Okay. So let's do that. 1/4, 1/2. So this is going to be x squared plus 2x, which is 1/16 plus 2, right? So that is just 9/16, and that is 4/4, 5, 20/16. Okay, so that is the probability, and hopefully that was a good review of probabilities, and I'll see you guys next time.